So here's how we can send cinematic video from iPhone to Android. Let me show you how we can make it work. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. First of all, the way that I would do it on my iPhone is that I would get the app which is called Send Anywhere, and I would actually download it on both devices because it's a nice way to connect even multi-platform devices, things like iPhone and Android. And when you get this app, it will be much easier to share files, for example, the cinematic videos, right? So if I open up my a gallery on the iPhone, go through the photos, for example, the categories, and find the cinematic video I want to share. So I'm going to click on the share options, and from the apps, I'm going to click the application which is called Send Anywhere, the app which we just installed. It's going to generate a code which I can then input when I open up the Send Anywhere app on my Android, go to the receive section, and I have the ability to type that number in. So you can see this is how it kind of works. And when I click on receive, it should be able to send that file over. It depends on the size of the thing, so it might take a while, depends. But in here, you can see that the official video has been received. You might get an ad or two, depends on the situation or how you are using it, but this is likely to happen. But the point is that you successfully sent a cinematic video captured on the iPhone to the Android, so you will have the ability to do whatever you really want with it. Like, you can perform some edits or changes to it. You can edit it inside of the CapCut in here, and you can now basically just save it into the gallery of your phone and or files or whatever, and you will have the ability to work with it the way that you would want. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it and make sure that it works properly on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. For more tips and explanations like this one, make sure you stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you later.